All right, what's going on, everybody? This is for Chrissy's 162 pods. There's the list. I have copied and pasted everything already. Come down here and type live. Current time is 12:56. Just turned 12:57, 12:57, and 12:57. We're in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. So we have Fred, Chris, Jesse, Ryan, Chris, Ryan, Stacy, Jesse, Mark, and Fred. 7 times as always. We have Stacy after 1, Mark after 2, Stacy after 3, Chris after 4, Jesse after 5, and after 6 we have Ryan. Current time is still 12:57, 12:57. Last and final good luck. Fred in the 1 spot. Congratulations. PLIIHV is the verification code. And we are done. Current time 12:57, 12:57, 12:57, and 12:57. Congratulations to Fred. Sorry to everyone else.